Feeke UV Sanitizer Travel Wand UV Light without chemicals for hotel, household, wardrobe, toilet, car, pet area germ-killing function. GERMZAPPER all-round protection. According to the approved laboratory research, the ultraviolet disinfection stick can kill 99.99% of germ.It. Can be used in mobile phones, iPads, keyboards, laptops, toys, toothbrushes, remote controls, door handles, toilet covers, mugs, steering wheels, hotel and family closets, toilets and pet areas to achieve all-round anti-germ. Proven to work. There are a lot of invisible dirty things in life. They exist on mobile phones, remote controls, towels, children's toys, elevator buttons, doorknobs, toilets. People can't see them with the naked eye, but we can use our ultraviolet light to eliminate them. Don't let dirty things live with you. Protect your life used in daily life, not just for the phone, but also for chopsticks, spoons, dishes, desks, toilets, public places, cars, etc. Used regularly on surfaces and items will help to keep your home germ-free and safe without the risk of chemical contamination. Easy to use. Our UV lamp only needs to be charged for 1 hour and can be used for 5 hours, which is more convenient to use. Easy to carry. Compact size 10.4 x 1.5 inches 7.2 ounces. It's easy to carry and put in your handbag. It's easy to put in a handbag, whether at home or on a trip. No matter where you go, you can make sure that you live in a clean environment. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.